अमृतंगमया शांति शांति शांति।
With the lighting of the lamp, the cultural meet is formally inaugurated. Even as the lamp dispels the darkness around, let this meet of talents from different terrains fill our heart with pleasure and transport us to the heights of ecstasy.
Now, I request Honorable Commissioner, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, Sri Biswajit Kumar Singh, to honor the guest, the chief guest of the function, Sri Upendra Kushwaha, Minister of State, Minister of Human Resource Development, Government of India, with a shawl and a bouquet. Now I request Honorable Deputy Commissioner of Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti Hyderabad Region, Sri A.Y. Reddy Sir, to honor the Commissioner, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, with a shawl and a bouquet. Now I request Deputy Commissioner of Hyderabad Region, Sri A.Y. Reddy Sir, to honor Personal Secretary to Minister of State for HRD, Sri Abhijit Sinha, with a shawl and a bouquet. Now I request our Deputy Commissioner Sri A.Y. Reddy Sir to honor Sri Naresh Kumar, Joint Commissioner Administration, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, with a shawl and a bouquet. Now I request Honorable Commissioner, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, Sri Biswajit Kumar Singh, to present the welcome address.
Navodaya Vidyalaya was established in 1985, sir. Now it has graduated to 591 functional schools. It was a really challenging task, sir, to establish schools in rural, remote areas and getting talented teachers and principals for those schools. We have overcome that challenge, sir. We have very good academic results, and very good results in other activity like sports, culture, and others. This year also, sir, in national meet of the state schools, we have performed quite well, sir, having 4 or 5 awards. In case of academics also, this year we have very good pass percentage and very good result above 90%. Sir, in those things, we have able to overcome all challenges and all the problems. However, Navodaya Vidyalaya has been conceived not only to have the academic excellence, but also to have overall personality development and overall development of the students. Lastly, again I welcome and thank all others who have come to participate and oversee the event. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I take this opportunity again to request Deputy Commissioner, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, Hyderabad Region, Sri A.Y. Reddy, to present a briefing about Navodaya National Integration Meet 2015-16.
सर, जैसे ने हमारा आयुक्त सर ने कहा है कि ये नवोदय विद्यालय जो 1986 नई शिक्षा नीति के अंदर जब शुरू हुआ था, 2 मॉडल स्कूल का रूप में शुरू हुआ था, अमरावती और जज्जन में, और बाद में एक संस्था बन गई नवोदय विद्यालय समिति का नाम पे। और आज के दिन में नवोदय विद्यालय पूरा देश भर 600 नवोदय विद्यालय कार्यरत है सर। और इसमें हमारा बच्चे जो आते हैं गांव से, प्रेडोमिनेंटली फ्रॉम रूरल एरियाज, और हम एक अलग सा जो टेस्ट है उसका थ्रू हम बच्चों को सेलेक्ट करते हैं। और हम बच्चे जब आने के बाद नवोदय विद्यालय में हर चीज़ उनको प्रोवाइड करता है ताकि बच्चे अपना सर्व विकास हो जाएगा और ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए जो भी बच्चों के लिए ज़रूरत है जो उनको नहीं मिल सकता अदरवाइज हम नवोदय विद्यालय में प्रोवाइड करते हैं सर। और हमारा मुख्य उद्देश्य है कि जो रूरल टैलेंटेड चिल्ड्रन है उनको अच्छी विद्या देंगे और मॉडर्न एजुकेशन देंगे और पूरा फैसिलिटीज जो है बच्चों को हम प्रोवाइड करके उनको ऐसी मौका एक प्लेटफॉर्म क्रिएट करेंगे कि अपने आप अब विकसित हो जाए और आगे जाके देश का जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है अपना कंधों पे ले। और उसके लिए हम हर चीज़ गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से प्रोवाइड करते हैं सर, आपको अवगत है। और हमारा एक और मुख्य उद्देश्य है कि राष्ट्रीय एकता को बना के रखना है। यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी जो है हम कहते हैं, हम नवोदय विद्यालय में उसको हम प्रैक्टिकली हम लोग पालन करते हैं। और उसी का संबंध में हमारा आज के दिन में 600 नवोदय विद्यालय पूरा देश भर में है सर। और ये कोई बिहार में या यूपी में ऐसा जिला होगा जहाँ पूरा बच्चे जो है तेलुगु सीखते हैं। और यहाँ जो साउथ में जहाँ हिंदी नहीं बोला जाता है यहाँ पूरा बच्चे जो है हिंदी सीखता है। माइग्रेशन का माध्यम में से हमने बच्चों को 30% बच्चों को 9th क्लास में एक हिंदी भाषी क्षेत्र से लेके अहिंदी भाषी क्षेत्र में लेके जाके 1 साल तक बच्चे वहाँ रहते हैं, रह के उनका रहन सहन, उनका जो कल्चर और सब कुछ सीख के आते हैं सर। और इसके बाद हम लोग हर साल हमारा मुख्य उद्देश्य है टू डेवलप एंड प्रमोट नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन। उसी के अंतर्गत हम लोग ये नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन मीट और आर्ट एग्जीबिशन जो हम लोग हर साल मनाते हैं, जिसमें इस साल 135 स्कूलों में हमने वर्कशॉप्स कंडक्ट किया। हमारा बच्चों का कला और ये सब देख किया, अपना बहुमूल्य समय निकाल के आपने आज यहाँ आके हमारे बच्चों को बहुत उत्साहित किया और इसके लिए हम बहुत आभारी है सर। और हमारा बच्चों का जो कार्यक्रम है हम once again I assure you that Navodaya Vidyalayas are going to stay and they are going to create a kind of students who will take the responsibility of the country tomorrow, and with a social commitment they will go out of this Navodaya Vidyalayas. So we assure you sir, thank you very much, all the best. I hope you will enjoy our programs. Thank you.
चाहिए जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय मांड्या के छात्रों द्वारा आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है ढोलू कुणीता।
Let us enter the world of Bonalu and enjoy the bewildering Bonalu procession in this national integration meet by the students of JNV Rangarendi, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad region.
ఏడున్నవమ్మా లష్కర్లో బోనాల జాతర అవుతాను నీకు చూపిద్దామని వస్తే కనిపిస్తలేదేంది అయ్యా ఓ అయ్యా మరి అంగిగిట్లా కనిపించిందా అరే లష్కర్లో జాతర అవుతాను ఎట్లా పోవాలి కదా జర కనిపిస్తే గిట్లా చెప్తావా జర చెప్తావా అగ్గది నారంగి కనిపించింది రావమ్మో రంగమ్మ పోదామే లష్కర్పురం రావమ్మో రంగమ్మ పోదామే లష్కర్పురం రావమ్మో రంగమ్మ పోదామే లష్కర్పురం లష్కపురం ఆహా లష్కపురం మనం లష్కపురం పోదామే రంగమ్మ వస్తావా నాయంట పోదాము లష్కర్పురం మనం లష్కపురం జాతరలో బోనాలు చూద్దామే ఆ జాతరలో అమ్మోని దర్శించి వద్దామే మనం లష్కపురం జాతరలో బోనాలు చూద్దామే జాతరలో అమ్మోని దర్శించి వద్దామే పోతురాజు శివశక్తులాటలన్నీ చూద్దామే పోతురాజు శివశక్తులాటలన్నీ చూద్దామే అమ్మోరి ఆశీసులే మనము అందుకుందామే రంగమ్మో నాశీలకమ్మ హోయ్ రావమ్మో రంగమ్మ పోదామే లష్కర్పురం రావమ్మో రంగమ్మ పోదామే లష్కర్పురం మనం పోదామే లష్కర్పురం జాతరలో నా బోనాల పండగ దర్శించి వద్దామే అందరిలో ముందర లష్కర్ జాతరలో నా బోనాల పండగ దర్శించి వద్దామే అందరిలో ముందర కట్టు పట్టు చీర కట్టు ముచ్చటైన ముక్కు పోగు మెడలో అందమైన నల్ల నాగు ఊరి కోరికలు కోరంగా కొంగు నింపవే మాయమ్మ హోయ్ ఊరి కోరికలు కోరంగా కొంగు నింపవే మాయమ్మ లష్కర్ జాతరలో నా బోనాల పండగ దర్శించి వద్దామే అందరిలో ముందర పరమేశ్వరుని అందాల రాశి రంభాదరిలోని రాగాల రాశి పరమేశ్వరుని అందాల రాశి రంభాదరిలోని రాగాల రాశి బాలగడిలో పానాల రాశి బాలగడిలో పానాల రాశి పూజలు చేశామే నిన్ను కోరి కొలిచేమే
నల్ల నాగుల నాగమల్లి శక్తి వరాల మా తల్లి హోయ్ నల్ల నాగుల నాగమల్లి శక్తి వరాల మా తల్లి లష్కర్ జాతరలో నా బోనాల పండగ దర్శించి వద్దామే అందరిలో ముందర
లష్కర్లోన వెలిసినావే ఓ గంగమ్మ వర్గాలున్నవే ఓ గంగమ్మ లష్కర్లోన వెలిసినావే ఓ గంగమ్మ గడపతో నిన్ను ఎదుర్కొని వస్తాము పూల ఘటము గల గల
గడపకు పూజ చేస్తుంటామే. కొబ్బరికాయలు కోరి కొట్టుకుంటాము, కోడి పుంజులు కోసి హారతిస్తాము. కొబ్బరికాయలు కోరి కొట్టుకుంటాము, కోడి పుంజులు కోసి హారతిస్తాం. లష్కర్లోన వెలిసినవే ఓ గంగమ్మ, రెజిమెంటల్ బజార్లున్నవే ఓ గంగమ్మ. లష్కర్లోన వెలిసినవే ఓ గంగమ్మ, రెజిమెంటల్ బజార్లున్నవే ఓ గంగమ్మ. రెజిమెంటల్ బజార్లున్నవే ఓ గంగమ్మ, రెజిమెంటల్ బజార్లున్నవే ఓ గంగమ్మ.
అమ్మ కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ తల్లి మా ఊరు మావాడు చల్లగుండాలి నీకు చూడుకోనం తీసుకొని మా పిల్ల జల్లని ఎండ పెట్టుకొని నిన్ను చూడవద్దు మా మైసమ్మ తల్లు.
కత్తుల బలం చేతబడి దుష్టుల తలలు మాలగట్టి, కత్తుల బలం చేతబడి దుష్టుల తలలు మాలగట్టి. నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి, నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి, నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి ఎక్కినావమ్మో. కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ, నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి ఎక్కినావమ్మో. కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ. శ్రీశూలమెక్కు పెట్టినవమ్మా, దున్న పొద్దులను పట్టినవమ్మా. శ్రీశూలమెక్కు పెట్టినవమ్మా, దున్న పొద్దులను పట్టినవమ్మా. కొడనగుల పట్టినవమ్మా, ఇరుగోలగా సుట్టినవమ్మా. కొడనగుల పట్టినవమ్మా, ఇరుగోలగా సుట్టినవమ్మా.
ఓం నమ శివాయ, ఓం నమ శివాయ, ఓం నమ శివాయ.
పెట్టినవమ్మో, కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ. రూపం పెట్టినవమ్మో, కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ. సురసకల పట్టినవమ్మ, కాలకు గజ్జలు కట్టినవమ్మ. సురసకల పట్టినవమ్మ, కాలకు గజ్జలు కట్టినవమ్మ. సురచంద్రుల పట్టినవమ్మ, సుఖపొట్టును పెట్టినవమ్మ. సురచంద్రుల పట్టినవమ్మ, సుఖపొట్టును పెట్టినవమ్మ.
ఓం నమ శివాయ, ఓం నమ శివాయ, ఓం నమ శివాయ.
పుట్టలనను పుట్టలనను పుట్టలన పుట్టినవమ్మో, కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ. నువ్వు పుట్టలన పుట్టినవమ్మో, కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ. కత్తుల బలం చేతబడి దుష్టుల తలలు మాలగట్టి, కత్తుల బలం చేతబడి దుష్టుల తలలు మాలగట్టి. నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి, నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి, నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి ఎక్కినావమ్మో. కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ, నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి ఎక్కినావమ్మో. కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ, నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి ఎక్కినావమ్మో. కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ, నువ్వు పెద్ద పులి ఎక్కినావమ్మో. కండిపేట కండి మైసమ్మ.
అమ్మ బయలెళ్ళినాదో, అమ్మ తల్లి బయలెళ్ళినాదో, అమ్మ తల్లి బయలెళ్ళినాదో.
అమ్మ బయలెళ్ళినాదో, నాయనా తల్లి బయలెళ్ళినాదో. అమ్మ బయలెళ్ళినాదో, నాయనా తల్లి బయలెళ్ళినాదో. లష్కరులో బోనాలమ్మో, మాయమ్మ కదలంటే మా కాలమ్మో. లష్కరులో బోనాలమ్మో, మాయమ్మ కదలంటే మా కాలమ్మో.
కూరగాయలు పొండెగాలు
అమ్మ కాళీ,
నేను మారులాడుకుంటూ
తల్లి మా కాళీ.
చారు మీనారు కాడ
అమ్మ మా కాళీ,
గల్లి గల్లి లొల్లి లొల్లి.
తల్లి మా కాళీ. చారు మీనారు కాడ గల్లి గల్లి లొల్లి లొల్లి.
ఓయ్!
అమ్మ బయలెళ్ళినాదో, నాయనా తల్లి బయలెళ్ళినాదో. అమ్మ బయలెళ్ళినాదో, నాయనా తల్లి బయలెళ్ళినాదో.
కళ్ళు రాగ కోడి కూర
అమ్మ మా కాళీ,
కొత్త చీర కొత్త రైక
తల్లి మా కాళీ.
సంక పిల్లనెత్తుకొని
అమ్మ మా కాళీ,
నిన్ను చూడవద్దు మమ్మ.
తల్లి మా కాళీ. సంగ పిల్లనెత్తుకొని నిన్ను చూడవద్దు మమ్మ.
ఓయ్!
అమ్మ బయలెళ్ళినాదో, నాయనా తల్లి బయలెళ్ళినాదో. అమ్మ బయలెళ్ళినాదో, నాయనా తల్లి బయలెళ్ళినాదో. లష్కరులో బోనాలమ్మో, మాయమ్మ కదలంటే మా కాలమ్మో. లష్కరులో బోనాలమ్మో, మాయమ్మ కదలంటే మా కాలమ్మో. కదలంటే మా కాలమ్మో, కదలంటే మా కాలమ్మో.
ఓం నమ శివాయ, 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 ఓం నమ శివాయ.
బలి బలి కంతులేసి నీ వడగంగా గొర్రె పోతులు బలి బలి గొర్రె పోతులు బలి బలి వాడల వెలిసిన ఓయమ్మ మేకపోతులు బలి బలి గొర్రె పోతులు బలి బలి మేకపోతులు బలి బలి
ఓం నమః శివాయ 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 ఓం నమః శివాయ
చుక్కల చూడు నీ చూడు పాకాలం నీ చూడు పొలాలింగను చూడే ఓ మంకాలమ్మ పడుగ పూజలు చూడే ఓ మంకాలమ్మ పొలాలింగను చూడే ఓ మంకాలమ్మ పడుగ పూజలు చూడే ఓ మంకాలమ్మ పొలాలింగను చూడే ఓ మంకాలమ్మ పడుగ పూజలు చూడే ఓ మంకాలమ్మ పొలాలింగను చూడే ఓ మంకాలమ్మ పడుగ పూజలు చూడే ఓ మంకాలమ్మ
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we rarely get this kind of an opportunity to listen to the words of great personality. Honorable Minister of State for Human Resource Development, Shri Upendra Kushwaha. So let us have the privilege of listening to the message of our chief guest. Sir, we request you to bless the students with your inspirational words.
यहाँ उपस्थित नवोदय विद्यालय समिति के कमिश्नर विश्वजीत कुमार सिंह जी, ज्वाइंट कमिश्नर एडमिन एनवीएस नरेश कुमार जी, डिप्टी कमिश्नर एनवीएस हैदराबाद AY रेड्डी साहब, मेरे साथ दिल्ली से चलकर आए हुए भारतीय प्रशासनिक सेवा के अधिकारी अभिजीत जी, देश के विभिन्न हिस्सों से या यूं कहूं कि सभी हिस्सों से आए हुए शिक्षक बंधुओं, गार्जियंस, पेरेंट्स, देवियों, सज्जनों और प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, इस कार्यक्रम में मैं थोड़ी देर के लिए आपके बीच आया हूं। केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन की ओर से मुझसे कहा गया कि आप अपनी उपस्थिति कुछ समय के लिए वहां दीजिए। अभी थोड़ी देर के बाद इस सत्र उद्घाटन सत्र के समापन के बाद मैं यहाँ से वापस होऊंगा। कार्यक्रम ही इसी तरह का बना, लेकिन आपके बीच आकर लगता है कि पूरे 2 दिनों का कार्यक्रम है। आज और कल दोनों दिन मुझको यहाँ रहना चाहिए था। यदि मैं होता तो बहुत अच्छा मुझको लगता। लेकिन क्या कहूँ, ऐसा सौभाग्य नहीं है मेरा। जिस तरह से यहाँ बच्चों ने अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन किया है, हमने देखा है। पूरे भारत का दर्शन इस हॉल के अंदर हो रहा है। हम राष्ट्रीय एकता अखंडता की बात करते हैं, इस छोटे से हॉल में आपने पूरे भारत को उतार दिया है। इन बच्चों ने उतार दिया है। मैं उन बच्चों की कल्पनाशीलता को सैल्यूट करता हूं। स्थानीय कलाओं का जिस तरह से प्रदर्शन किया है और कुछ राइटिंग्स उनका, मैं घूमते हुए उस कॉरिडोर में कुछ राइटिंग्स को पढ़ रहा था, मेरा मन अंदर से भावुक हो रहा था। मैं सच कह रहा हूं, मेरी आंखों में आंसू डबडबा रहे थे। मेरे सपनों का भारत, हमारे बच्चे क्या सोचते हैं हमारे देश के बारे में, किस तरह का देश हमारा हो। जितनी बातें कुछ बच्चों ने यहाँ लिखी है, अगर उन्हीं बातों को अक्षरशः जमीन पर हम उतारने में कामयाबी हासिल कर लें तो दुनिया का स्वर्ग यही हिंदुस्तान हो सकता है। सामाजिक कुरीतियों को दूर करने की बात की गई, लिखा है बच्चों ने। हमें तो ऐसा भारत चाहिए जिसमें मरने मारने की बात कोई ना करे, न खुद को समाप्त करने की बात करे, न दूसरों को समाप्त करने की बात करे। हमें ऐसा भारत चाहिए। और इन बच्चों को देखकर मुझको पक्का यकीन है कि एक न एक दिन ऐसा भारत बनेगा, निश्चित रूप से बनेगा। तो अंत में आप सभी के लिए मैं इस नए साल में मंगलमय भविष्य की कामना करता हूं और इस बात का आश्वासन भी अंत में देना चाहता हूं कि प्रगति के पथ पर बढ़ते हुए जहां भी जो भी आपकी अपेक्षा होगी, उन अपेक्षाओं को पूरा करने में जो भी मेरी भूमिका होगी, उस भूमिका के निर्वहन में हम कोई कोर कसर बाकी नहीं रखेंगे। इतना कहते हुए फिर से आप सभी को बधाई, आप सभी का धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
The students of JNV Baramulla from Jammu and Kashmir are going to transport you into that paradise through ROF. Dear audience, put your hands together to watch an elegant, classic and graceful ROF dance from the Valley of Kashmir.
JNV Suchi from Shillong region is going to provide us a visual treat through their organic and soulful presentation of Chirao dance.
Thank you, JNV Searchy. Can we have another round of applause for this brave and courageous performance?
The students of JNV Banaras from Uttar Pradesh are going to present Kathak dance of Lucknow Gharana. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Dhati dha. for mesmerizing us all with this graceful dance, which would be. Friends, let us watch an adventurous, daring and courageous dance by the students of Ganjam from Bhopal region who have come over here from Odisha.
Wow, that was really wonderful. We are spellbound and awestruck. Thank you, JNV Ganjam, for your melodious but courageous performance. Dear audience, let us now experience the euphoria and jubilation of the Gopikas through Dandiya Gas by the students of JNV Anand from Pune region.
Hello! सर सर पर सधर अमर कर अनुसर कर कर वर धर मैर करे ए हरि हर सुर अवर यछर अति मन हर भर भर अति उर हराग भरे निर्खट नट प्रवर प्रवर नित निर्गुण निकट मुकुट सिर प्रवर नमे ए घंडरो पद परार परार पद घूंगर रंग भर सुंदर श्याम रमे जी रमे रंग भर सुंदर श्याम रमे जी रमे रंग भर सुंदर श्याम रमे
आवो नेल बेला रे रास रम बने आवो नेल बेला रे रास रम बने हो नंद जी ना हो नंद जी ना हो नंद जी ना छेल छोगाड़ा छेला आवो नेल बेला आवो नेल बेला आवो नेल बेला रे
रास रम बने
आवो नेल बेला रे रास रम बने आवो नेल बेला रे.
That was a great performance. Thank you, Gopis and Gopikas from JNV Anand, Pune region, for entertaining us with your beautiful dance of the Dandas.
Take your participants there and get ready.
बनबला हो बाबूजी छेड़िया के छेड़िया बनबला हो बाबूजी छेड़िया के छेड़िया बनबला हो बाबूजी छेड़िया के छेड़िया बनबला हो.
Let's welcome on stage the students of JNV Sikar of Rajasthan from Jaipur region with their beautiful dance Ghumar.
Bye.
Now let us have JNV Birbhum Youth Choir. It was a melodious, elegant and powerful rendition. Thank you. Today, we have the students from JNV Mokokchung to perform Ao Naga Nukin Keter Sung Sungba, meaning Ao Naga warrior dance.
The students of JNV Nawanshahar from Punjab region to present this Gidda before us. Social issues like female feticide and drug abuse. And thank you for your good wishes for the audience. Yes, dear audience, we have students from JNV Bundelkhand, Madhya Pradesh. and the students of JNV Sihor are trying to preserve this legacy through their dance. Welcome them on stage.
भारत माता की
The boys from JNV Sihor, Madhya Pradesh, who have presented their beautiful dance.
Friends, let us now experience rural village life through this wonderful act called Panchalai, which is going to be presented by the students of JNV Bhagalpur, Bihar, Patna region.
Now let us welcome on stage Miss Bageshri of JNV Ahmednagar, Maharashtra with her performance.
So, let's now watch the breathtaking and astounding Kalaripaitu by the students of JNV Patananthitta from Hyderabad region.
Let us welcome the students of JNV Mahindergarh from Jaipur region to present Dhamal dance. Therefore, friends, let us welcome the students of JNV Shivsagar Assam from Shillong region to take us to the world of joy and happiness and their Now we have amongst us the JNV alumni members from AIJA, that is All India JNV Alumni Association. Let us have a big clap for these people.
Good evening, India. Maybe since morning, you people must be wondering who are these chaps roaming in white and blue jeans. Okay, we are none other than your ex-students. We are from various Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas across the country, and we are old students of Navodaya Vidyalayas. We are proud to be Navodayans, and we are also very, very happy to be part of this meet. And I thank our DC sir, Commissioner sir, and all the delegates over here for giving us an opportunity to be the part of this meet. And I want to assure you that we will always be part of such cultural events or any other event that is conducted by Navodaya Samiti or any Navodaya school. We will voluntarily come and join you. We don't expect anything, but we just want to serve the nation, because we have taken from the nation. We are today in very good positions in all the fields. So we want to give it back in whichever way we can contribute to this good, proud nation, India. We love India. Jai Hind. Tomorrow you will know more about AIJA, what is AIJA does, and why AIJA has formed, what this alumni association will do. Thank you, sir. I will not take more than this time as given by you. Thank you so much.
So, dear audience, put your hands together for a big round of applause and welcome on stage the students of JNV Karimnagar, Andhra Pradesh, with the beautiful Kuchipudi. Let's welcome on stage the students of JNV Vijayanagar, Andhra Pradesh, with DIMSA.
Vasa Varsa Punyasa, a presentation of cultural heritage of Pune by the students of JNV Pune, Maharashtra.
This beautiful musical narration is going to be presented by the students of JNV Sindhudurg from Pune region. Welcome them on stage.
जिसे प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं लोहरदगा बिहार के छात्र वर्षा झमाझम।
by the students of JNV West Imphal from Shillong region.
जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय लुधियाना पंजाब के छात्र एवं छात्राएं।
मेले हम चार चंद लाई जांदे ने जी बोते जट्टां दे शकीन मेले हम चार चंद लाई जांदे ने जी बोते जट्टां दे मेले हम चार चंद लाई जांदे ने जी बोते जट्टां दे शकीन मेले हम चार चंद लाई जांदे ने जी बोते जट्टां दे शकीन लुटना सी मेला असी लुट चले आ नच नच दूड़ा असी बट चले आ रंगला पंजाब मेरा रंगला पंजाब 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 बोले सोनिहाल
Students of JNV Balrampur from Uttar Pradesh.
ये कथा हमें हिंसा पर अहिंसा की शाश्वत विजय को दर्शाती है। साथ ही साथ हमें ये भी शिक्षा देती है कि अगर कोई व्यक्ति परिस्थितियों वश सत्य मार्ग से भटक जाए तो हमारे समाज का ये दायित्व है कि उसे सच्चे हृदय से क्षमा करके उसे अपनाना चाहिए।
दीप सत्य का सदा जले दया हिंसा सदा रहे सुख शांति की छाया में जनगण मन का प्रेम पले भारत के भगवान बुद्ध का गूंज घर घर मंत्र अमोल हे मानव नित मुख से बोल बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि हे मानव नित मुख से बोल बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि
Let's welcome on stage the students of JNV Dausa, Rajasthan from Jaipur region to perform Tera Tali.
Hey, Muni, tera chaya, मान जीना छोड़ा मता लेना मेरा लाल रानी ने तेरा बता मारो हेलो ओ मारो हेलो सुनो दीना मक्की ओ मारो हेलो सुनो दीना मक्की अरे मुनी तेरा चया मान जीना छोड़ा मता लेना तेरा लाल रानी ने तेरा बता मारो हेलो ओ मारो हेलो सुनो दीना मक्की ओ मारो हेलो सुनो दीना मक्की ओ मारो हेलो सुनो दीना मक्की मारो हेलो सुनो दीना
Friends, let us watch and swing to the movements of Bagurumba dancers of JNV Chirang, Assam from Shillong region.
प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जवाहर नवोदय विद्यालय धमतरी छत्तीसगढ़ के छात्र।
लाटा मंगलाए रे असुल्ले का बसुंडीला जमनाए रे। छत्तीसगढ़ चमाटी छत्तीसगढ़ चमाटी छत्तीसगढ़ चमाटी छत्तीसगढ़ चमाटी खेले तोले कमन के वे खेले तोले कमन के आगे लाली मुड़े लाली रामे रतन मुक्त बोली को कागली रे। आगे लाली मुड़े लाली रामे रतन मुक्त बोली को कागली रे। दोना लाटा मंगलाए रे असुल्ले का बसुंडीला जमनाए रे। दोना लाटा मंगलाए रे असुल्ले का बसुंडीला जमनाए रे। केड़ा लाटा मंगलाए रे असुल्ले का बसुंडीला जमनाए रे। केड़ा लाटा मंगलाए रे असुल्ले का बसुंडीला जमनाए रे। केड़ा लाटा मंगलाए रे असुल्ले का बसुंडीला जमनाए रे।
अब आपके सामने पेश है मेर रास नृत्य।
मोरा मचोड़ा शाम छोवाड़ा पुष्प गोवाड़ा नंदलाला दीन दयाला कृष्ण कृपाला सौने वाला मतवाला जितरू चोरी मटकी गोड़ी कयोड़ी गिरधारी मोरली बगाड़ी सौने जगाड़ी माया लगाड़ी गिरधारी रे गिरे माया लगाड़ी गिरधारी रे माया लगाड़ी गिरधारी रे माया लगाड़ी गिरधारी बोलो बाके बिहारी लाल की।
Now here comes the students from Jain Hamirpur with a dazzling, sparkling and glittering Jamkara.
टूटी गई टूटी गई टूटी गई ओ मेरी दैया वाली मटकी टूटी गई। टूटी गई टूटी गई टूटी गई ओ मेरी दैया वाली मटकी टूटी गई। खरा होया सौरा करे नी आंदा खरा होया सौरा करे नी आंदा पैरा बंदने ते छुट्टी गई ओ मेरी दैया वाली मटकी टूटी गई। टूटी गई टूटी गई टूटी गई ओ मेरी दैया वाली मटकी टूटी गई। ओ बेलिया मेरा गहरा रंगाई दे रुमाल 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 ओ बेलिया मेरा गहरा रंगाई दे रुमाल।
Now Cholia dance is going to be performed by the students of JNB Pithoragarh from Lucknow region.
for us is the most graceful Mohiniyattam, presented by JNV Trivandrum.
Tajum takita tagata Tajum takita tagata Tajum takita tagata Tajum takita tagata
Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, Shri S.C. Goshalji, Officiating Secretary, National Foundation for Communal Harmony with the Ministry of Home Affairs, Honorable Commissioner of NVS, Shri Bishwajit Kumar Singh Ji, officers and dais, distinguished invitees, and dear Navodayans. I am very happy to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, who is always very busy with his own schedule of activities. At the outset, let me express my sincere thanks to him for accepting our request to come over here, and he has come here to appreciate all the students who did participate in various competitions conducted by NVS in collaboration with NFCH. Regarding academics, if you compare various organizations which are affiliated with CBSE, JNVs are occupying the place number 1 in academics. JNVs are considered as the best organization as far as CBSE affiliated organizations are concerned. It is the right time by which I can say one more point regarding academics. In 2014-15, on the basis of that performance, top 20 schools were listed out. Out of those top 20 schools, 18 are from private sector, only 2 government schools are in the top 20 schools in terms of the academic achievement. Those 2 schools are from JNVs only. JNVs are the only 2 government schools which are coming in the first in the top 20 schools as far as the CBSE performance is concerned. Those 2 schools are JNV Alleppey and JNV Ernakulam. I appreciate everybody in those 2 schools. One of the objectives of NVS is to provide good quality modern education, including a strong component of culture and inculcation of values. Finally, I once again welcome our chief guests and other dignitaries who are assembled here. Thank you, Ananda.
हर गांव में एक विद्यालय हो, हर घर में एक शौचालय हो, नारी निर्भय हो रही जहां, नारी निर्भय हो रही जहां, मेरे सपनों का वह भारत हो, मेरे सपनों का वह भारत हो।
India stands for its value and its wealth. Its culture, religion and people are its strength.
There has credited him with many opportunities and advanced achievements. Apart from academics, he was an all-rounder in the field of art, music and sports. He has participated in various events and programs conducted by NVS like the Regional Science Congress. Now, Ms. Gayatri from JNB Koppal. Ms. Gayatri has been a gifted child of JNB Koppal, Karnataka. She has scored 97% marks in AISSCE 2015 and became the national topper of NVS in class 12 commerce stream. Ms. Gayatri's politeness, straightforwardness and a spirit of taking initiatives have made her a gem of NVS. Her sense of gratefulness for the teachers obeying with pleasure and completing the assignment with dedication have won the hearts of all. Now Akrant Lakhirwal of JNB Vidyalaya Hamirpur with scoring 97.2% and became national topper of NVS in humanities stream in AISSCE 2015. He has been diligent student having positive attitude with leadership qualities throughout his stay in JNB. Next, Master Satyabrat Naik. Master Satyabrat Naik, student of JNB Keonjhar, Odisha, is the NVS national topper in class 10 AISSE 2015. He got 10 CGPA with a percentile score of 99.89. His talent paved the way of success smoothly to the accomplishment as NTSC scholar in class 10 in 2015 and qualified in aptitude test of KVPY 2015. Now I call upon Master Abhishek Kumar. Master Abhishek Kumar's father has come to receive the award as the boy fell ill. Master Abhishek Kumar, a son of a teacher, was admitted in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Giridih in 2010, a multi-talented, good sportsman and soft-spoken. In AISSE 2015, he secured 10 CGPA and 99.8643 percentile score among national toppers of NBS. Now with this, we come to the end of award ceremony.
Thank you, sir. Dr. Subhash Chandra Kuntia, Secretary, MHRD Government of India. Shri Biswajit Kumar Singh, Commissioner, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Shri Naresh Kumar, Shri A.Y. Reddy, members of the faculty, teachers, dear students, gracious ladies and gentlemen. I think it is indeed a very proud moment for me personally to be in your midst this afternoon. For me, it is really a Navodaya, it's a new dawn. What I would say, for me, it is a new dawn, seeing such brilliance. I mean, the brilliance of these young students is so very amazing, and I'm indeed happy. I think there could have been no better time than this, and no better theme than what you have chosen in the National Integration Week. Here is a group of 600 students spread across the length and breadth of this country, coming together, living together, eating together, playing together, and displaying their talents. I think this is integration in reality. I think today what we have seen is integration in truest quality in life and blood. And I would congratulate the Navodaya group for this wonderful organization and the theme, namely National Integration Week. Ultimately, what is it that we need to learn? We need to learn in a country with 1.2 billion plus people of varied castes, various creeds, various religions, various languages, various things. All that we need is to live in harmony. And this is what the Navodaya institution teaches you. This is what this great gathering teaches you, is how do you live in harmony. Today, harmony and peace are the most essential ingredients of life. If we do not have harmony and peace, I think there is no life at all. Wealth generation is one part of your life, but to live in peace, live in harmony, live amongst your fellow beings, that I think is the most important thing. The other thing that really teaches in this whole thing is inclusiveness. When we talk of inclusiveness, we must realize that the major part of India, Bharat, stays in the rural areas. And Navodaya today has done the greatest service by bringing this rural on a par with the urban, probably excelling the urban. I would congratulate all the students for the excellent performance that they have displayed. I mean, the marks are amazing, 97, 99. And this is, I think, one of the best things that we got. And again, to top it all, you look at the way you people have left the schools and thereafter got your jobs. Many of you are in the highest positions today. But the most important thing that you children have learned is culture, is your heritage. I mean, today in this country, unfortunately, we seem to be forgetting what our heritage is. In this backdrop, so Navodaya schools and the theme of this whole conference being the heritage of your district. I mean, there cannot be anything more better than this. I really congratulate. It's a wonderful thing to learn what is your heritage. Children, let me tell you, our heritage is very great. India's heritage is probably the greatest heritage in the whole world. There is no country in the world which can parallel or compare with India's heritage. But unfortunately, we don't know our heritage. And because we are unaware of our heritage, we always think outside, saying that India lives outside. India does not live outside, India lives inside. Wherever you may go, ultimately you are taking India with you. And India lives with you, India lives in you, India lives by you. There is no question about it. And for that, you need to understand your heritage first. And I'm happy even at this stage, you are learning about your heritage, starting from your district. As Mr. Kuntia put it, once you know about your district heritage, you will naturally like to know about your heritage of the state, and thereafter the whole country, and a whole very rich heritage, the descendants of which great heritage you are. And that will give you the sense of pride. Ultimately, what is required today is a feeling of a sense of pride. You must feel proud to call yourself an Indian today. That is the essence of the whole thing. There is no need for you to sort of kneel down before anybody or bow down before you. I think you are greater than the greatest. You are the greatest in the world today. Remember that. And that is the type of thinking that is the ego book that I would like you to go into. And when I talk of India of my dreams, I think that really speaking, children, this is what you should really be talking about today. I belong to the extinguished category. You belong to the future of this country. The future of the country lies on your shoulders. I remember once when somebody said, "Nanne munne bacche, tere mutti mein kya hai?" I would say, "Tere mutti mein hai is desh ki takdeer." That is what it is, and that is what you need to learn. And today, when you talk of India, of my dreams, I think this is what comes out. I mean, because at this age in which you are placed, you have a natural self. You are an innocent one. You are devoid of all other poisons, and you are devoid of everything else that is happening around you. You are really talking of your own dreams. And I think it's very, very important that at this stage of your life, we sow this seed of integration into you. We sow this peace, this idea of harmony in you, this seed of peace in you. Greatest experiments that have been done, and I think we have really succeeded in this thing. I would say a wonderful show this evening. I am indeed proud to be in your midst today. And for me, it has been a learning process. I would like to congratulate all the award winners, and I would like to say that every one of you is going to make us proud. Every one of you has a capability, every one of you has a potential, every one of you has the intelligence, every one of you has the inclination, and I think you will make us proud. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We are indeed indebted by your inspirational words.